Darren Hannigan snoring. And D. You can't see that movie. And Murray snoring. Am I covering the lens or something?
Could be like.